So, ladies and gentlemen, I have another satisfied customer of winterisemyyacht.com. His name is Luke. So, Luke, why don't you tell us about your experience with winterisemyyacht.com?
Yeah, so honestly, I procrastinated and probably should have called earlier, but woke up at 7 this morning, a little bit in a panic, and kind of stumbled into winterisemyyacht.com and was able to fill out a form. And 5 hours later, I had someone on my doorstep. And even an hour later, I called and they had everything in the system and already said a crew was looking into it to figure out when they'd be here, and they were here before 1 o'clock. So I couldn't be more satisfied. I mean, this saved me hours of work. And yeah, it's been as good of it's been the best experience I've had with any kind of boat maintenance since I've had a boat.
So, I guess one of the more important things of your service is just to spell it out for the world who's watching. So, you place your order exactly, I know this, at 7:51 a.m. We got the email confirmation.
Yep.
And we were here approximately 12:30 to winterize your boat. We ran into a little issue. Your battery was bad. You worked with us. You ran right down the street, got a battery.
Yep.
We swapped it out and got the winterization completed. How would you say the professionalism of the service and your overall experience was?
The professionalism was incredible. It was, one, they gave me like a really realistic time estimate. Hey, this is the confidence they instilled when they said, like, hey, this is a boat, this is a job we can do quite quickly and quite efficiently as long as everything's there. And when there was a hiccup, they're willing to like stay in and let me go pick up a new battery, which I was incredibly gracious of, and was gracious of them.
Yeah. So overall, would you recommend any friends or neighbors on the dock to winterisemyyacht.com?
Anyone I know with a boat, I would recommend this. This is so helpful, especially in Northern Virginia, where you don't have, you're less likely to have a dock where your boat's in the water and you have a bunch of boat dealerships. Like, to have somebody come to your house, this is a game changer for us in being able to own a boat and actually keep it here, not to keep it an hour and a half to 2 hours away.
Yeah. Well, we greatly appreciate you as a customer, even though you are a brand new customer as of today.
Yeah.
We look forward to providing you with service for years to come. If you ever need anything else for your boat, winterization or not, feel free to give us a call back and we'll get right back out here and do what we do best.
I'll absolutely be a repeat customer. Thanks so much.
Thank you. There, you've heard it, ladies and gentlemen.